This on a day when the Congress President Sonia Gandhi called her senior colleagues to discuss the party's poll debacle in 4 major states. As a key ally has said, voters had shown their anger at an indecisive and weak leadership. In fact, Sharad Pawar has not pulled his punches either. In a statement, the NCP president has said, and I quote, "The Congress has suffered a jolt in the polls. Everybody, including the Congress and us, will have to ponder over this seriously. The new generation, the young voters had their say in these elections. They've given a clear indication of their anger through ballot. Of late, weak leadership at various levels has given rise to a bunch of pseudo-activists who have no connect with ground reality." And Pawar's wasn't the only indictment. BSP chief Mayawati blamed the Congress rout in 4 states on what she described as the wrong policies of the centre.
जहाँ पर उनको लगता है जिसकी भी पार्टी की सरकार होती है, चाहे कांग्रेस की हो या बीजेपी की हो, और जो हमारी मजबूत बेल्ट होती है, तो उनको लगता है कि बीएसपी कहीं जीत ना जाए, तो वहाँ पर काउंटिंग बहुत स्लो करा देते हैं, रिकाउंटिंग करके, टेबलिंग में गड़बड़ करके। तो ऐसा हमारे छत्तीसगढ़ में भी, मध्य प्रदेश में भी और राजस्थान में भी हमारी मेरे ख्याल हर स्टेट में 5-5, 6-6 सीटें उन्होंने हरवा दी। प्रशासन ने ये गड़बड़ किया इधर।
सबसे बड़ी चीज़ ये है, महंगाई ज़रूर बढ़ गई, उसने भी लोगों को काफ़ी असर डाला। फिर करप्शन था, उसका भी असर हुआ। ये सब चीज़ें मिलके जो है एक धक्का लगा। मैं यूपीए के साथ हूँ और इंशाल्लाह उन्हीं के साथ रहूँगा। लोग गिरते भी हैं, उठते भी हैं, तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हमने अपने सहयोगियों को जब वो मुश्किल में हो तो छोड़ देना चाहिए।
Well, Tejas Mehta and Sandeep Phukan joining us at this point for more on the big political developments. Tejas, Sharad Pawar has been known to speak his mind in the past as well. He's always spoken out, but this seems a particularly strong indictment. He's talked about leadership, weak leadership at various levels, and voters turning to others because of it.
Absolutely. I mean, we have heard Sharad Pawar, an extremely shrewd politician, normally minces his words, doesn't say directly. But in this, in a particular statement, he has been very, very direct and challenging, I think, for the first time, that, questioning the leadership of the Congress itself, and of course naturally of the Gandhi family, given the fact he later on gives a comparison with Indira Gandhi, whom he says the former Prime Minister was extremely strong and decisive, and there was no one else, no freeloaders of advice given to Indira Gandhi, and compares the current leadership with Indira Gandhi itself. So the direct attack, of course, not only on the Prime Minister but Rahul and Sonia Gandhi too, and calling them, saying that it's a weak leadership which they are really offering. Now, of course, Sharad Pawar is an ally, but his words sounding more like the opposition itself, largely the BJP and the NDA, who have the same allegation against Manmohan Singh and against the UPA government, apart from the fact that, of course, issues regarding corruption. But he also went ahead and targeted the Aam Aadmi Party, saying they're a bunch of pseudo activists and that they have no connect directly with the people itself. More importantly, he also went on to add some praise actually to BJP leaders, BJP states, Shivraj Singh Chauhan and Raman Singh of Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh respectively, saying that he was the agriculture minister and these 2 states were now added in the list which were providing rice and wheat to the country. And both these states, he goes on to say, had taken an approach in areas like agriculture where they seem to have benefited BJP apart from other factors. So he has gone ahead and for the first time, I think, really trashed the leadership of the UPA, saying they provided weak leadership and people don't really want that. Trashes, of course, the Aam Aadmi Party, and then, of course, goes ahead and praises the leadership of the BJP, right, saying that they went ahead and helped farmers as far as agriculture is concerned. Ankita?